Okay, so I just read about CodebuffAI, and it's essentially this multi-agent AI coding assistant that can totally overhaul your coding process.
Wait, seriously? A multi-agent system? That sounds like something straight out of sci-fi. How does it actually work?
Right, so when you ask it something like, add authentication to my API, it brings in various specialized agents to tackle the job.
That's cool. So there's not just one model working on the task. What kinds of agents are we talking about?
Exactly. For instance, it uses a file explorer agent to find relevant code files, a planner agent to map out changes, and an editor agent to make the actual edits.
Wow, that's a lot of coordination. But doesn't it risk too much complexity? I mean, can all these agents really work together smoothly?
That's a good point. Coordination is crucial, and there could be chances of miscommunication among agents.
And feedback might be a challenge too. How does it ensure the changes don't introduce new bugs?
Great question. It employs a reviewer agent to validate the changes after edits, so there's a safety net.
I see, it's like a quality control layer. But do we know how well it performs compared to other tools?
Yes, CodebuffAI reportedly beats Claude Code in evaluations, scoring 61% against its 53% across 175 coding tasks.
That's pretty impressive. But what kind of tasks are we talking about? Are they practical, real-world challenges?
Absolutely, they simulate real projects. Think of common tasks like fixing vulnerabilities or refactoring.
That's super relevant for developers. But I wonder how it handles more complex coding scenarios.
Oh, it gets even cooler. You can actually create custom agents tailored to specific workflows.
Hold on, that sounds powerful. How customizable are these agents?
Pretty customizable. You write definition files in TypeScript, dictating how agents should behave and interact.
Wow, that must really enhance productivity. But what if you don't have coding experience to create these agents?
Good point. They have a simple CLI for basic commands, but true customization would likely require some coding knowledge.
But isn't that a bit limiting? What about developers who want the benefits without diving deep into coding?
That's a valid concern. It may not be for everyone, but it offers a balance of simplicity and power for those seeking it.
True, and the capability to reuse published agents sounds intriguing. So, like an agent library.
Yes, exactly. You can compose existing agents, which could save a lot of time and enhance development speed.
That's exciting. The flexibility must appeal to many developers. But how do they ensure ongoing improvements?
They encourage community contributions, meaning anyone can help improve the agents or document features.
That's a great way to foster innovation. But what if someone posts a flawed agent? Could that create issues?
Right, that could definitely lead to risks. Quality control will be important here to vet community contributions.
For sure. So, beyond just coding, do we see any impacts on learning for new developers?
I think so. It could serve as an interactive learning tool, helping new coders understand best practices through real-time edits.
That's an interesting angle. But could there's a risk it might make beginners overly reliant on these tools?
Definitely a concern. If developers lean too much on AI, they might skip fundamental skill building.
Exactly. Striking that balance between leveraging AI and maintaining coding fundamentals is key.
So if we bring this all together, CodebuffAI seems to be a strong player in developer tools, but with caveats.
Right? It's all about enhancing productivity while being aware of the limits. Where do you think it fits in the future?
I think it has the potential to revolutionize coding workflows, but only if balance and vigilance are maintained.
Absolutely. It'll be fascinating to see how it evolves and how developers adapt to these new landscapes.